Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and today I'm gonna create this winter makeup look. This is really glam, vampy lips, and a lot of you were asking me to make bold mouth kind of look, so I thought of doing a winter makeup look because winter season is around the corner. There is Diwali and my birthday is knocking at the door as well, so I thought of doing this kind of look that I would like to wear when I'm going out. This is my favorite kind of season, and it's time to take out those bold shades that you haven't used for so long. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and I hope you like this look. So yeah, please feel free to share it with your friends as well, and let me know you liked it or not. Please follow me on Instagram, and yeah, that's it. Without rambling much, let's just get into the video. So first I used a lip balm on my lips, and then I'm gonna prep my skin with a moisturizer, and this is from It's Skin. It's the Revive cream. Now to prime my face, I'm gonna use a primer, and this is the NYX Angel Well primer. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna use the Loreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. This is matte foundation, and the only drawback is it oxidizes a bit on my skin. So let me know if you face the same thing, but I think it oxidizes a lot when I use a setting spray on it. So I'm taking a pump on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use 2 drops of bio oil in it, and bio oil works really well on anyone's skin, and this will make the foundation a little bit dewy because the winter season is already here and all of our skin is really dry. So if you are using any facial oil with your foundation, then it will make your skin a little bit dewy. Now it's time for the concealer, and I have already 2 concealer. One is from Wet n Wild and one is from NYX, and I'm using them on the usual areas that I conceal. I don't look like a ghost anymore. And today I'm going to use the L'Oreal Brow Artist Pomade, and this is in the shade Ebony, and this is my current favorite. I'm using it almost every day when I'm heading out. You will see in a while why I love it so much.
It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
So I'm done with my brows, and if you are wondering what's that spoolie thing in my hand, then let me tell you a story. This is the Wet n Wild brow gel, and it just got shattered when it fell from my hand. So I kept the spoolie part and threw away the rest of the brow gel. So yeah, that's the story behind it, and it works really well as a spoolie, just a normal spoolie. So yeah. Now let's bring some color to my face, and I'm gonna use the Freedom Contour Kit. I'm really excited to try it out because this is really new to me. I bought it from Hawk Makeup. So yeah, and this comes with a contour powder and the highlighter powder as well, and it comes with a mirror. The mirror is really nice. So yeah, if you're going somewhere, this is really handy. If you can literally take it anywhere, you can take it in your purse, and this is really travel friendly. So yeah. Okay, for my eyes, first I'm gonna use the transition shade from this NYX Dreamcatcher palette. First I used the contour shade from the palette and I used it as a transition, but I didn't like it much. And then I'm gonna use the PAC glitter primer. I'm using it for the first time. I'm using it on my lids just to see how the colors shows up on my lids. So yeah.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't
I'm gonna use this shade right here and taking a pencil brush, and I'm just patting the shadow to the glitter primer so that I get a little hint of color, not too much, and the shadow sticks really well on the shadow primer. I'm really happy that I got it. Next I'm gonna curl my lashes and use a mascara. I'm not gonna use any falsies because I usually don't use falsies on a daily basis. So this is my current favorite mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Next I'm gonna use a blush, and this is the Essence Matte Touch Blush. This is a new one. I got it from Nykaa and it retails for 260 rupees. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use the PAC Baked Highlighter in the shade BK12, and this is my absolutely favorite.
keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter.
Setting everything with the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. For my lips, I have used the Chambor Extreme Matte Long Wearing Lip Color in the shade Earthy. I was looking for a really vampy fall kind of shade, and this went really well with my outfit as well. So yeah, if you're looking for a really fall autumn kind of shade, that you can use it entire this winter season, so I would suggest you can buy this. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this look. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, that's all about it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.